Hey, yo, what is good guys, it's your boy Jordy X bringing you guys another video. Starting today, I'm officially changing up like the way I do my videos. So basically it's currently Saturday and I'm posting a video tomorrow. I already have it done, edited, everything. It's the one where me and Junior, we do pranks at Walmart and Gabe records and everything. So I'm posting that video tomorrow. But starting this video, I'm gonna be posting every single Sunday, 5 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. And every single one of my videos so far to this day has been like 1 day of footage. But I'm switching it up. I'm gonna basically be recording all week and I'm just gonna edit for 1 day and I'm gonna make it super lit. So instead of doing like 1 day of footage, I'm gonna be doing a whole week's of footage and then put it into one video. Like I'm gonna be doing pranks, I'm gonna be doing reaction videos, I'm gonna be doing all this stuff, but it's all gonna be put into one video and probably like a short amount of time. I'm trying to have it around like 10 to 15 minutes. So I'm gonna make videos super lit now. So make sure to hit that subscribe button, hit that like button. I just wanna do something different than what everyone else is doing on YouTube. But yeah, today I'm about to go over to Junior's house and then we're gonna go to the golf course and do some pranks there. And as you guys can see, I am layered up today. I got pants on because last week I made the mistake of wearing shorts. I didn't know that we were going into the woods, so I wore shorts and then I got poisoned oak. I'm about to head over to Junior's and then I'll see you guys there. It's good, baby. You guys gotta make sure to hit that subscribe button because ain't no one doing it like us anymore, okay?
No one.
Like people might have been doing it like us, but now we're gonna basically do a week's footage and it is gonna be so lit. And we probably know that we might be able to get in trouble if by doing this, but you know, we just gotta send it, you know what I mean? Like we gotta do whatever we can.
We gotta go Seco.
Bro, we're going Seco mode out here, okay? We're doing this for you guys, so make sure to hit that subscribe button, hit that like button. Let's get it. We're on our way to the golf course right now. We got the air horns. We're about to send it. Let's get it, baby. Yeah. Me and Junior gotta go get in our spot. And basically, once we get in our spot, we're probably just gonna camp out and wait for some fools. But let's get it. I will see you guys once we get there. Junior, do you see him?
Yeah.
We did people, and there's people right here that just came. As you can see, we're gonna get them. But the people to the right over there, they're so already salty at us, so we're waiting for them to leave. But we're about to get these people. These are new people. They are about to get wrecked.
Fucking assholes.
You are now listening to a
He's
Softlex
fucking us off.
production.
Chase the money, chase the money.
I look good. Ooh, I'ma run that sack up to the ceiling like I should. I got 2 for $5 Applebee's in the hood. She gon' let me smash cause she love rapper Woods.
Junior are currently getting the hell out of here. People are going to be coming for our head talk, bro. I'm currently in my car right now, and I don't know where Junior is. I literally lost him. We were running, and these fools like came up, and then Junior stayed, and I kept running. So I don't no clue where Junior is right now. Like look at him. Look at him. What happened?
They started yelling at me.
No way.
Yeah.
They yelled at you?
He's like, hey, you the one with the air horns? And I just ran.
No way.
I had to go stealth mode on him.
What's good, guys? Welcome to the new part of the video. Before we get started, I just want to say that I've been super busy lately. Like all week I've just had track after school and I've been tired when I got home, so I haven't recorded that much. But it is currently like the next Saturday, the next Sunday from when I last recorded the air horn prank with Junior. But right now I'm just gonna be reacting to some underrated rappers and we're just gonna chill, you know. I think this is gonna be the last part of the video because I'm gonna edit it today and then post it tomorrow. But just so you guys know, I have hella video ideas. Me and my friends have hella video ideas that we're gonna do, so hit that subscribe button. We have pranks that we're gonna do, we have challenge videos that we want to do, we just have hella stuff they want to do. So yeah, hit that subscribe button and we're just gonna get straight into it. Okay guys, well today I'm gonna be reacting to Captain Hoosie, Rush, and then Wasting My Time, Feet Hoodie J, and AJ's and Lil Sane, Broly. All of these people, they found me through my Instagram. So if you guys want to be in one of these videos, if you guys are underrated rapper and you guys want to be in one of these videos, then just DM me on Instagram at Joel_reacts. Just DM me and I will most likely put you in one of these videos. Anyway, let's get straight into it. Captain Hoosie, Rush. This is the first one that we're gonna react to, so let's get it. Alright. I like the beat so far. I reacted to this guy before and I said that he sounds exactly like Nav, so let's see if he can do it again.
Yeah, I feel a rush, I don't even need the drugs. Niggas I can't trust, turn their body into...
Every single time, this guy sounds exactly like Nav. I'm not even kidding. He just has the same like flow and vibe that Nav does. It's weird. He's
yeah,
fired.
I feel a rush, I don't even need the drugs. Niggas I can't trust, turn their body into dust. Got my niggas trust, they don't talk, they keep it shy. Shorty want my see you in.
Dude, this doesn't even sound like it's... This literally sounds like it should be like a hella popular song.
Right now. Yeah, we can go alone right now.
This guy's good, wow. This guy's so good.
Take you to the coast right now.
I feel like this guy's gonna blow up one of these days. This guy's actually fire. Not even gonna lie. I can't say one bad thing about this song. Like the beat is fire. It doesn't sound like he's like using like a bad mic or anything. Like it's just, it's all fire. This guy's good. Guys, I don't know. Like I really do want to put that song in Fire to the Max because that song is insane. This is like the closest song to get into Fire to the Max since Young Glass, but I say, alright, I think I'm just gonna go with Fire because if you make a song a little bit better than this, then I'm 100% putting you in Fire to the Max. But I'm just gonna put you in Fire because I want Fire to the Max to be like insane. So we're gonna get to the next one, Wasting My Time, Feet Hoodie J. And like I said, this guy just hit me up on Instagram, so that's how I found this guy, and we're just gonna react to him. Alright, I figured it was a sad type song, as you can see by the freaking picture. Let's open this up in full screen. And just so you guys know, the very last one, it's actually a music video, so that's why I'm saving it for last. I wanted the music video to be last, but this beat right now is fire. I'm not even gonna lie. This beat right now is fire. Like, this has potential to go Fire to the Max. If this guy's good, this is like one of my favorite beats. That's...
I thought that you was a vibe. I thought that you was a dime. I thought that you was gonna ride. You was a waste of my time. I thought that you was gonna ride.
It's not Fire to the Max, but it still could be fire. It still could be fire.
You wanna waste my time. I thought that you was a vibe. I thought that you was a dime. I thought that you was gonna ride. You wanna waste my time. This shit got me out of my mind.
This song's good. This song's good. It's just like I feel like the mic quality isn't that good. Like Young Glass and the last guy I reacted to. It's just like I can't even tell the difference between them and like a like a popular artist. But
shit got me out of my mind.
it's definitely like isn't bad. Like for a start, like this isn't
You were
bad.
just wasting my time and I know it. You say you love me, but you never showed it. Right how I feel,
This
you're
guy's
like
good.
it is a
I think
poet.
this is Hoodie.
After you,
I think
was
this is
never
Hoodie
the
J.
same. Broke my
Yeah, this is
heart, yeah,
Hoodie
you
J.
left me in pain. Heartbreak
This guy's
don't mean
nice.
they can change. And I don't know if that's for the better. Heart so cold that you might need a sweater. Yeah.
This
And
beat,
it breaks
like,
my
this beat is
heart
fire. I
just
like
to
this beat a
let
lot. I like
her
beats like
go.
this. This is
But
like,
I had to
this is
leave
my
her
type of
'cause
beats
she
that I like to
wasn't
listen
down for
to.
show. And now I don't fuck with you because
I thought that you was a vibe. I thought that you was a dime.
Alright, it's not a bad
I
song.
thought
We're
that
just
you was
gonna
gonna ride.
stop right there. I can't really put it into a playlist when it's on YouTube, so I'm just gonna skip that part, not put it into a playlist. If I was to put that in a playlist though, it would probably be on like Decent or Fire. I don't know, but we're just gonna go to the next one. Broly. This song is more popular. This guy just hit me up on Instagram, and this is probably one of the most popular people that has hit me up, so we're just gonna play this. It's an actual music video shot by Hometown Hero Films, so hopefully I don't get copyright by this, but oh, this is an upbeat song, I can already tell.
Snackbeats.com.
Alright, the quality seems insane already, like the edits and stuff. Rick and Morty.
I forget bitch,
That
I
lit
can't
shirt.
get enough. Fuck up the rest and I'm running up. The squad pull another, then we act
Okay.
up. Keep talking my shit, can't get enough. Like, I cannot get enough.
Yo, the
like,
quality on this video
I
is
cannot get
insane.
enough, like,
How many views does
I
this
cannot
have?
get enough.
Hold up, how many views does this have? Only 1,500? Yo, I feel like this song is underrated for 1,500.
I
Like,
cannot get enough.
this is high
like,
quality,
I
this is a
cannot
lit
get
song.
enough,
I'm not gonna lie.
ooh. Yes, I'm Ahmed. Act like Muhammad.
Okay,
Eating the pussy like ramen.
I like this guy's voice.
Came in the
I like this
game,
guy's
yes,
vibe,
I'm
this
a
guy's
lame.
lit.
Taking the drugs like cocaine.
Ooh.
My blow my brains. I'm stuck in the matrix. Got me tricks. Smoking that gas, got me dumb. Fucking your bitch and she numb. Chewing the pussy like
I like this
gum.
guy, this guy's
Cooking
lit.
her dope like it's rum.
Music video's
Watch me
insane.
go soup.
It's hella high quality. I like the music video, the edits are
Watch me
dope.
go super saiyan, bitch, I can't get enough. Fuck up the rest and I'm running up. It's squad pulling up, then we acting up. Keep talking my shit, can't get enough. Like, I cannot get enough.
This song
Like,
is-
I cannot get
this song
enough.
is
Like,
hype.
I cannot get enough. Like,
Snackbeats.com.
I run through her water like my name is Moses. Y'all niggas is pussy, but stay with the low. So you wanted some problems, let's start some
Dang.
commotion.
This song is lit.
I got the radio.
This song
the
is
bitch wanna
lit.
ride like a rodeo. Just jumped into it and that's critical. All these comments
Oh my
keep
God,
coming
the
in.
edits are
Fuck your bitch, I
crazy
can't
on
get
this
enough.
song.
Fuck up the rest and I'm running up. It's squad
Yo, if this was on SoundCloud, that song has potential to go to fire to the max because that's crazy. I don't know how this song only has 1,500 views. Okay guys, well I'm gonna end the video off right there. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and hit that like button because I have hella video ideas like I said, and I'm gonna be busting out content every single Sunday, so make sure to hit that subscribe button. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed. If you guys want to be in this segment where I react to underrated rappers, just DM me on Instagram at Jordan_react. But anyway, I'm gonna end the video off right there. Hope you guys enjoyed. Well, the last outro, see you guys later. Peace.
The plan I gave her be like a plumber on her knees. Hang with killers, hang with seats. Some my homies.